Every time you make an installation of Windows or you update the existing one, it's very important to do the following to clear up the junk. Press on Windows, look for disk cleanup, just type on clean, hit on enter, this will pop up, click on OK, then click on clean up system files, click on OK. It will scan depending on the size of the garbage, it will take some time. Make sure you check all the boxes to clean all the garbage. Like for example, you can see from my previous Windows installation, I have a pending 123 GB worth of garbage. That's a lot. So if I'm not planning to roll back to that previous window, I can just check on that, then click on OK. It will clean this thing up. Again, it will take some few minutes depending on the size of the clutter. You can see you are able to recover more than 100 GB just from cleaning the garbage which was not necessary in our system. So try to make sure that you do that to make your system faster and to remove unnecessary junk.